Most people taste their water. I don't care how it tastes. I care what's in it. 3 water supplies. Bottled water, prove it. Fridge water, sus. Tap water, be honest. One of you is clean. One of you is pretending. And one of you is about to get exposed. If you're the dirty one, you're done. All right, guys. Sample A, fridge water. Let me fill this glass up. Pure, refreshing filter, right? Or is it? It's been 6 months since I replaced this filter. Here's a proof right there. Let's move on. Let's do this. Sample B, bottled water. But wait. Oh my God, that looks so good. Nope. Wait. No. All right, here it is. Purified drinking water from an iceberg, right? No, let's move on. Let's pour this to a baseline glass here from this iceberg water, so they claim. We're buying a story. Sample C, tap water. Wait, what? Tap water from the city's finest, purified and filtered. Let's move on. Sample A, fridge water. 1 drop, cover slip. Let's take a look. Sample B, bottled water. Same amount, same slide. Actually, different slide, but same test. Sample C, tap water. 1 drop, cover slip. And right now we're going under the lens. All right, guys. I'm keeping the sample name hidden for now. No spoilers, no labels. Just you and the microscope. After all 3, you tell me which one you'd actually drink. All right, let's do this. Here we go, guys. First thing I see, look at this. That strand likely didn't grow in the water. It looks like a fiber. So fibers like this usually come from airborne lint, clothing, maybe paper products, or simple handling during slide prep, but I don't think so. It was pretty clean. Anyways, so yeah, first slide. You're not sure which slide this is. Keeping this a mystery. Let's go ahead and move on to the... Oh, wait, hold on. Those circles, those are bubbles. Don't worry about those. Either that was from me putting the cover on and there's still bubbles stuck in there. And the rest of the stuff is like... Wait, let me back up. Yeah, the rest of stuff is like fiber. Plastic, lint, could be hair in there. So yeah, fun stuff. Okay, we're moving the objective up to 100x. A lot of the same stuff on the same slide. Okay, hold on. What is this? That looks like a, I hate to say it, but it looks like a freaking hair. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more on this, but it could be a fiber, like we talked about before. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this first slide. We're gonna move on to the second slide. Remember, this is a mystery, so here we go. Slide 2, going in. Okay, slide 2, 40x magnification. Excuse me, sorry. Looks like plastic. Look at the stuff behind it. That's either a lot of fiber, a lot of plastic, a lot of debris, fiber on top right there. Let me move around on the deck here and see what this is. Zoom in a little bit, but yeah, from what I can tell, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Let me keep moving around here, see if I can zoom in on some, there's some more, either that's a hair or it's a fiber. And remember I told you on the first slide, it could be, clothing, could be thread, could be anything. Keep going, see the stuff behind it? That is all debris. And when I change objectives, maybe to the 100, or maybe the 400, you can really see it. Okay, here it is, 100x. Just remember, if you're doing this, the higher the magnification, the higher backlight you need. The lower magnification is lower. So let me scan across here on the deck. Looks like we got some debris here. I'm trying to focus a little bit on this, but it's the same thing on the 40, right? 40 times 40x, but here you can say the same thing. It looks like ant trails. It's crazy. I mean, this is stuff that we drink, plastics. But yeah, this here, end of my cover right there. But again, it's all the same stuff, and it's kind of scary to really see what we're putting inside of our bodies. Again, I'm not going to tell you what slide this is, because at the end of this last upcoming slide, you guys decide which slide would you drink from, where you feel safe. Okay, I'm going to move to the, there it is again. I'm going to move to the third slide. Here we go. All right, in goes number 3 and final slide. All right, 40X, final slide, guys. So remember, the last 2, this is your last one here, so which one would you drink from? All right, looks like we have a lot of air bubbles here, and I know it wasn't my slide prep. I thought I did pretty good with this, but regardless, they're actually pretty cool. But on this slide, it looks pretty clean so far. What's this? Okay, a little bit of fiber right there, I think. I can maybe adjust a little bit there. So as you notice, I'm trying to get some background there, but the last slide, the background looked like a trail of ants, right? On this one, it looks pretty clean. To me, it does, at least. You guys be the judge. I'm going to move around here, look for some other things that'll stand out. Some more air bubbles. There's some fiber right there. Better be fiber, not a hair. But yeah, could be anything. Could be material, could be yarn, could be string. So yeah, not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and change objectives. And so stand by. Okay, here we are, 100X, the third and final slide. Okay, looks like air bubble still. We have a little bit of debris right there. I'm trying to focus for you guys. Behind it, let me adjust that light a little better. But behind it, a little bit of debris, not much. We can still, I'm trying to focus on the back to see if I can get those little guys back there, but let's see. Anyways, yeah, let me move around. Again, as you look in the background, it doesn't, well, there's a little bit right there, a little bit of trails. Compared to the last 2, I don't know. It's your guys' call. What do you think? A lot of air bubbles still. Just remember the first slide and the second slide and this one. So you got to compare which ones. Just think, if you had a choice, which you do, which one would you drink from? Which slide do you trust the most? And which slide do you distrust? Again, I'm trying to move around here for you guys. Try and zoom in a little bit. But this slide looks okay. Not too bad. Hey, before I exit the slide presentation, do you guys find something all 3 slides have in common? And this is good news. For me, at least, I didn't see anything move as far as crawling around, swimming around. Did you guys find anything in there? Did you see anything? Let me know. But this concludes the slide presentation. That's all. I'll see you out there.
Mr. Bill, we're live in 5. We're live. You're live. You kidding me?
All right. We've seen all 3 samples under the microscope. Same magnification, same process. Well, based purely on what I saw, slide C looked the cleanest. That was the last slide. Slide B was right in the middle. And slide A, it looked the dirtiest. And I kept the samples names hidden for a reason. I didn't want labels influencing what you saw. Now here's what they actually were. You guys ready for this? Slide A was the fridge water. To me, that was the worst looking slide. Slide B was the bottled water. And slide C, to me, was the cleanest looking one. And that was the tap water. Listen, folks, the microscope doesn't care about marketing. It just shows you what's there.
Team, we're going to take 5 again. I'm getting word Mr. Bill has broken another glass.
Again? Oh yeah, one last thing, you guys. Don't forget to laugh. It's good for you.